Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm at ITW 2025, and today I'm joined by Gabriel Holgado, is SVP at Transamerica Fiber Systems. Gabriel, welcome to my hot seat.
Thank you, Isabel. Thank you for inviting me for this interview. Really happy to be here.
So Gabriel, I think you will agree the telecom landscape is transforming really rapidly in LATAM and the Caribbean region. Yeah? How can the new build system address the need of traditional operators and digital native enterprises?
Well, yes, actually, the landscape is changing significantly, but not only from a global perspective, global players going into the region, but also from local players, wanted to really evolve into the new area, So currently, the landscape is, if you see, there's still underserved areas within the region, different countries, different realities that want to really evolve to a new connectivity, the ability really to run new applications, in a new area of connectivity. And on the other side, the global players that are coming into the region demanding or looking for better connectivity, better redundancy, physical redundancy, and also other options rather than the one that are already in place, So the reality is, if you see the region as it is right now, the cables that are, the connectivity that are in there, the subsea cables, are really coming from an old conception of technology and communications, and the region is kind of claiming or demanding, a new connectivity concept, ready for better latency, better redundancy, physical diversity, and that is what we are bringing to the region.
Okay. So on top of that, what makes your company so special? What makes you different from other players in the market?
Well, in reality, we are very fortunate because we have the ability to really design a system looking ahead, So not only knowing the pain points from the region right now, but also looking for what the region is demanding for the near future and for also the long term, And in that regards, the design of the system, this system has been from the very beginning done to make sure that we design a cable that not only provides connectivity to some areas that are underserved, but at the same time they provide low latency connectivity. They provide different paths, and also they bring to the market other options that are not currently available. And in that regard, we in Transamerica Fiber Systems, we really play a key role on bringing a carrier-neutral concept to some of these markets, which really doesn't exist at this moment, and with also a very open and flexible concept regarding, how to serve big players, big OTTs, cloud providers, but at the same time, small ISPs in the region, and our ability to be flexible regarding, the products, the ability to contract those products, and also the flexibility to provide also managed optical fiber solutions to players that doesn't have the ability to do that in different countries,
Okay. So above connectivity, how does Transamerica Fiber Systems empower digital transformation in the region?
It's interesting because, again, we have our conception of the model is really a model that we bring new connectivity with a next generation cable, but at the same time we rely on partners, and partnership is key for that, to enable really the growth of technology and digital transformation in each of the countries. We are a firm believer that we cannot do everything alone. So we need partners to bring, connectivity, terrestrial connectivity, improve terrestrial networks, and enable governments, enable local players in the market to support all this digital transformation. So connectivity is really the cornerstone, but it's really an enabler of that digital transformation, and we really see that applications such as in the tourism, in the fintech area, or in the healthcare area really need to rely on a next generation platform really to run as they need to run. So our contribution to that is really bringing a cable that is state of art and enable the ecosystem in each of the countries really to support the evolving of not only the digital inclusion but also the digital transformation of the society.
Okay. And I've seen some amazing videos recently about your cable being installed on the ship and then the ship leaving. It's very amazing footage, by the way. So what's the status of the DAM1 system? Where are you at?
Well, we are very excited because on one side, this project not only turn us proud to be really part of this, but also at this moment we can share with you that we are laying the cable, so it's no longer a project, it's no longer a brochure, but really is becoming to reality. The vessel is going, laying the cable towards Puerto Rico to do the first short end there. And as we speak, it's becoming a reality every mile. So it's really exciting moments for us.
Thank you so much for coming to talk to me today, Gabriel, and telling me all about your great company and your great project.
Thank you, Isabel, for inviting me, and looking forward, to sharing further news on our project.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.